Welcome to the wonderful world of microgreens. These little plants pack a nutritional punch. They are easy to grow, even indoors. In just a week you can have fresh, flavorful greens right on your kitchen counter. Growing your own food is rewarding. Microgreens are a great place to start. They are simple to grow and don't need a lot of space. You'll enjoy fresh, healthy greens all year round. Imagine adding a handful of spicy radish microgreens to your salad. Or picture garnishing your soup with delicate sunflower greens. With microgreens, the possibilities are endless. Let's get growing. What exactly are microgreens? These tiny, vibrant greens are more than just a garnish. They pack a punch of flavor and nutrition in every bite. They are young seedlings of vegetables and herbs. Despite their small size, they are loaded with nutrients, often containing higher vitamin and antioxidant levels than their mature counterparts. They are harvested just after the first true leaves appear. This stage is crucial as it ensures the maximum concentration of nutrients and flavor. Don't confuse them with sprouts. While sprouts are germinated seeds grown in water, microgreens are cultivated in soil or a soil substitute. Microgreens are grown in soil, not just water. This method allows them to develop a richer flavor and more robust texture. There are many types of microgreens, each with its own unique flavor. From spicy to sweet, there's a microgreen for every palate. Kale microgreens have a mild, earthy taste. They are perfect for adding a subtle green flavor to your dishes. Radish microgreens are known for their peppery kick. They can add a zesty punch to salads, sandwiches, and more. Sunflower microgreens offer a nutty and slightly sweet flavor. They are a delightful addition to any meal, providing both taste and texture. Other popular choices include broccoli, arugula, and red cabbage. Each brings its own distinct taste and nutritional benefits. You can experiment with different varieties to find your favorites. The possibilities are endless, and the journey of discovery is half the fun. You can even mix and match seeds for a diverse microgreen garden. The choice is yours. Create your own unique blends and enjoy the myriad of flavors and textures that microgreens have to offer. Growing microgreens at home is easy and incredibly rewarding. Not only do they add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals, but they also bring a touch of green to your living space. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started on your microgreen journey. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, you'll find this process simple and enjoyable. First, setup. Choose a shallow container with drainage holes. This is crucial to prevent waterlogging and ensure healthy root growth. A plastic takeaway container or a seed tray works well. You can even repurpose old containers, just make sure they are clean and have holes for drainage. Next, planting. Fill the container with seed-starting mix or a well-draining potting soil. This provides the necessary nutrients and structure for your microgreens to thrive. Sprinkle your chosen seeds evenly over the soil surface. Press them down lightly to ensure good contact with the soil, which helps with germination. For watering, mist the seeds with water. This gentle method prevents the seeds from being displaced and keeps the soil evenly moist. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Overwatering can lead to mold growth, so it's important to find the right balance. A spray bottle is ideal for this. It allows you to control the amount of water and distribute it evenly. Then, light. Place your container in a bright spot, but out of direct sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the delicate seedlings. A sunny windowsill is perfect. It provides enough light for growth without the risk of overheating. Finally, harvest. In about 7 to 10 days, your microgreens will be ready to harvest. They should be about 2 to 3 inches tall and have their first set of true leaves. Use scissors to snip the greens just above the soil line. This ensures you get the most out of your harvest without damaging the roots. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown microgreens. They are perfect for salads, sandwiches, and as a garnish for various dishes. Happy growing! Here are a few extra tips to help you succeed in your microgreen growing journey. Start with a small container, about the size of a takeaway container. This will help you manage your first batch more easily, and keep things simple. You can always scale up as you gain confidence. Gradually moving to larger containers will allow you to grow more microgreens without feeling overwhelmed. Use a seed-starting mix or a well-draining potting soil. These types of soil provide the right environment for your microgreens to thrive. Avoid using garden soil, as it may contain pests or diseases. Garden soil can introduce unwanted elements that could harm your delicate microgreens. Water your microgreens once or twice a day, or as needed to keep the soil moist. Avoid overwatering, as too much water can lead to mold and other issues. Harvest your microgreens when they are about 2 to 3 inches tall. This is the ideal height for the best taste and nutritional value. This is when they are at their most flavorful and nutritious. You'll notice a burst of flavor and a satisfying crunch. Add your fresh microgreens to salads, sandwiches, soups, or use them as a garnish. They not only enhance the visual appeal of your dishes but also add a fresh, vibrant taste. Enjoy! Growing microgreens at home is a rewarding experience. It's a great way to enjoy fresh, nutritious greens all year round. With a little effort, you can easily grow your own microgreen garden on your windowsill. So why wait? Start your microgreen journey today. You'll be amazed at how easy and fun it is.